President William Ruto of Kenya, along with Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni and Kenya's opposition leader Raila Odinga, convened in Uganda on Monday for a significant discussion. President Ruto shared photos on his social media platforms, revealing the trio engaged in talks while overseeing a grazing field and tending to cattle. The meeting, according to a statement by President Ruto, covered various topics, including energy, petroleum, and the candidacy of Raila Odinga for the chairmanship of the African Union Commission. President Ruto expressed the pleasure of meeting President Museveni at his Kisozi country home and highlighted the critical issues discussed between the leaders. In addition to energy and petroleum, the declared candidacy of Raila Odinga for the Africa Union Commission chairmanship was a focal point of the deliberations. Raila Odinga had officially declared his interest in the AUC chairmanship seat on February 15, expressing his readiness for the role. This was after discussions with former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo, who reportedly played a crucial role in brokering a deal that led to bipartisan talks, effectively ending anti-Ruto protests by the Azimio coalition. The opposition's sustained protests against the Ruto regime had caused instability in the country. To be a candidate for the AUC chairmanship, one must have the backing of their home country, and President Ruto's government has pledged its support for Raila Odinga's candidacy. The ODM party leader's visit to Uganda is seen as the beginning of a series of tours to various African countries, seeking support for his candidacy. President Ruto emphasized the commitment of Kenya and Uganda to strengthening their long-standing diplomatic and economic ties. Their focus extends to bringing all 7 East African community nations closer to their shared aspiration of forming the East African Federation. The meeting signifies a diplomatic effort to navigate regional cooperation and advance the interests of the East African nations on the continental stage. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenyan News Channel to get more updates.